Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in the in this 2017 Ford Transit. So from any screen, if we go into phone, here you see there add at the bottom there. The instructions along the bottom correspond with these buttons along the bottom of the radio. So you've got close there, BT there, and add there. BT is Bluetooth, so we'll click on Bluetooth. And you see there Barry's iPhone. There's only mine in here at the moment, so you've got 3 more choices there. Let's just go back. It's just timed out on me. Barry's iPhone, and you've got add, delete, and connect. So quickly we'll press delete. Delete Barry's iPhone. Yes. Barry's iPhone deleted. That's it gone. Again, Ford, the sync system that they have, the new sync system, absolutely brilliant. Dead easy to use, and does everything you want it to. So here we go. Make sure Bluetooth's on. I've switched Bluetooth on. We go to phone. No phone's paired, and we want add. Add again. The instructions on the bottom correspond to these 4 buttons here. Add is there. We had cancel over there.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So sync's come up already. Got voice instructions there.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
261722. So yes, it does. So pair there and click yes on the buttons. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Pairing successful and connected on my phone.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
It's asking me if I want to download my phone book. I won't be using this again. So we'll just click no. There's no there and yes there. So that's that done. Another great thing with the Sync audio system is if you go into music, I'll turn that down, but at the bottom there you see Sync, red triangle with 3 red circles. If I just click on that, just to show you, Sync, there's a tick next to, or iPhone. Sync with a tick next to means anything that's playing on here, as long as you've got the media set right in the Transit, it will play through the system. So we'll go back here. It's turned down on here. You're showing there, look, more than the feeling. But for instance, if, let's see, just it's actually not showing now. I've changed it. It's not showing my my phone or the contents of my phone. So what you have to do now, if it's not, is press media, and you've got mobile apps, line-in and BT audio. You use here. You use these arrows here. So I'll do it again because I've timed out. So up to BT, click OK for BT, that's Bluetooth audio. It's showing more than the feeling there, Boston. I'll turn this up and then turn it up. And that's it. I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike, and this is just for information. So that's how you do it. It's a really good system. Thanks for watching.